Onions, a ubiquitous staple in kitchens worldwide, are not just limited to adding flavor to dishes. They possess a surprising array of hidden talents that make them indispensable in various spheres beyond culinary. 1. Natural cleaning agent. Onions contain sulfur compounds that exhibit antibacterial and antiviral properties. Cut an onion in half and rub it on surfaces to disinfect them naturally, leaving behind a fresh, pungent aroma. Cure. Air purifier. Sliced onions placed in rooms absorb airborne bacteria and other pollutants. Their sulfur content reacts with these impurities, neutralizing them and improving air quality. 3. Pest repellent. The strong odor of onions repels insects and other pests. Planting onions around your home or garden can deter unwanted visitors, reducing the need for harmful chemical pesticides. 4. Pain reliever. Raw onions have anti-inflammatory properties. Applying a slice of onion to minor burns, cuts, or insect bites can provide soothing relief and accelerate healing. 5. Hair growth stimulant. Onion juice is rich in sulfur, an essential nutrient for hair growth. Massaging onion juice into the scalp can promote blood circulation, strengthen hair follicles, and reduce hair loss. 6. Skincare secret. Onions contain antioxidants that protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals. Applying onion juice topically can help reduce wrinkles, blemishes, and even out skin tone. 7. Insect bite treatment. The enzymes in onions have anti-itching properties. Rubbing a slice of onion on insect bites can provide instant relief from discomfort and reduce inflammation. 8. Eye irritant relief. While onions can make you cry, their natural anti-inflammatory compounds can also soothe irritated eyes. Placing a chilled onion slice over closed eyelids can reduce puffiness, redness, and discomfort. 9. Shoe deodorizer. Onions absorb odors effectively. Place a sliced onion in smelly shoes overnight, and by morning, the pungent smell will be neutralized, leaving your footwear refreshed. 10. Unique artistic medium. The layered structure and vibrant colors of onions make them an unexpected medium for art. Artists have used sliced onions to create stunning mosaics and other imaginative works, showcasing the hidden beauty within this humble vegetable.